sink you in love.
Z, baby, what are you cooking?
Guess what? I made you some pancakes.
Looks delicious.
Yeah. So, you like it? I'm so happy you're loving it.
Baby, can I have some water to drink?
Yeah, sure. But you better make sure you finish that, huh? I'm bringing some more, okay?
There you go, doggy. You won't be hungry today.
Baby, just bear with me. I'm getting some more.
Oh, damn.
What happened?
I just fell down to a hole you left.
Oh no, you better be careful. You should be careful.
Yeah, baby.
You should be careful, okay?
I'll be very careful
You're
this
fine,
time.
right? Okay, I'm just...
Okay.
Okay. Why is the dog howling so much? Usually he's very quiet. Is he sick? And why is he looking up to our floor and howling?
Who?
The dog.
God knows.
You know what? You're not gonna move anymore. I'm gonna make the lunch for you today.
Baby, it's your off today, you know that. You've been working so hard. Why do you want to cook? Let's call for some food.
No, I'm not gonna make it all inside. I'm gonna make the entire food for you. I start from scratch, okay? I'm even gonna make breakfast, lunch, dinner. So that means I actually have to go to the grocery store and buy spices and all the food items, right? Okay, so that means I don't have time. I should just go now, okay?
Lucky dog.